family!
Good morning everyone! Welcome to Maria Lasin channel. So today's video ay nakabalik na po ako sa Australia. Welcome to Melbourne. So nakadating po ako kagabi sa Melbourne. And yes, sobrang pagod talaga yung mukha ko. Nag-direct to flight po ako from Manila to Melbourne. Sabi, wala po talaga akong tulog sa flight ko kagabi, mga 8 hours Manila to Melbourne. So for sure po, magtatanong po kayo kung sinong kasama ko pong kapatid ngayon pagbalik ko po sa Australia. Ang sagot ko po ay wala. Dahil sa mga nangyayari ngayon, yung dalawa kong kapatid na gusto ko sanang dalhin dito sa Australia, nagbago po yung isip nila. Sabi nila, ikaw na lang muna ang uuwi sa Australia. Dahil nga sa news na possible po ang mga international flight ay pwedeng mag-cancellation na po yung mga flight. Kasi alam nyo naman is gas shortage po tayo sa Pilipinas. So guys, hindi ko kayo tinatakot. So yung pamilya ko din kasi sa Pilipinas is nag-worried baka daw ma-stuck ako dito sa Pilipinas at hindi pa po ako nakabalik sa Australia. Kawawa naman si Sylvester and I. Kaya sabi po ng mga kapatid ko, wag ko daw muna silang iisipin kung gusto ko silang dadalhin. Sabi nila, sisigiruhin ko muna yung sarili ko pabalik sa Australia at susunod po sila sa akin later on. Kaya ako po muna ang nauna dito sa Australia dahil yung mga kapatid ko na dadalhin ko din, nag-worry din po sila sa mga balita ngayon na grabe. Kahit nga ngayon sa flight ko, ang daming delayed but I'm glad I made it. I think this is the most flight na na-experience ko po na medyo nagkagulo po sa line-up ng mga tao. Instead dalawa, tatlo at nakikipag-away na po sa security guard yung iba dahil baka nga takot po maiwan. After all, nakabalik na po ako sa Australia. So, nandito po ako sa Melbourne. Maya-maya ay flight ko Melbourne to Adelaide and Sylvester and I makikita ko na po sila. Actually, surprise ko po ito kang Sylvester. So, syempre, yung asawa ko, alam na po ni Dave na babalik na po ako sa Australia. So guys, may naisip po akong pa-surprise kang Sylvester. Sabi ko kang Sylvester kagabi na darating yung friend po namin sa Adelaide and then kailangan yung i-pick up sa airport without knowing na ako pala ang dadating. So, syempre, bata pa po si Sylvester. Hindi ko alam kung ano po yung maging reaction niya na after 2 months na wala si mommy, nakabalik na po. So, mag-wear po ako ng mask. Sinabi ko kang Dave, mag-play kayo ng hide and seek, pero sa inside ng airport para safety. So, while nagka-counting po si Sylvester, lalapit po sa akin si Dave, kakawayan ko na po siya kung saan ako. Then, kukunin niya po yung cellphone para ma-film. So, slowly po ako mag-approach kan Sylvester. Actually, I'm very excited kasi wala talagang kaalam-alam si Sylvester na darating na po ako ngayon. Ito yung bag ko, napaka-cute. Tapos, ito yung kwarto ko po. Meron pong toilet, meron din pong sink dito. Kung mag-brush po kayo ng ngipin. And ito lang yung pagkain na kinain ko. Malapit lang po yung McDonald's dito. So, nandito na po talaga tayo sa Australia. Yung view, ang daming puno, grass. Ito po talaga, this is it. And guys, tara, ito po yung susuotin kong mask na lang po. Dahil hindi po ako nakabili. Tingnan po natin kung... So, ito po yung magiging mukha ko. Mag-ano din tayo ng sunglasses. Titingnan po natin mamaya kung makilala po tayo ng anak ko habang nakasuot po yung mask at sunglasses. And kailangan early po tayo. So, if 10 yung flight ko, by 8, pupunta na po ako sa airport para doon na lang din po ako mag-breakfast. Kaya, see you guys!
Tara, maglalakad po tayo. Ang lamig na po. Thanks, naka-jacket po ako. So, on the way na po tayo sa Melbourne Airport. It's about 5 to 7 minutes to walk. Nilamig po ako. Kapal na nga ng jacket ko. Tingnan niyo po. Siguro hindi ako nakapanglamig under. Pa-winter na po sa Australia. Ang lamig na po. What a beautiful morning to walk. Kahit ako lang mag-isa. Lapit na po tayo sa airport. May nakikita na akong airlines. Tara! Welcome to Adelaide. Nandito na po tayo. Nakarating na. Hahanapin ko na lang si Dave and Sylvester. Si Dave ay nag-message na po kung saan siya. Si Sylvester, kailangan nating i-surprise. Tara. Hahanapin natin si Sylvester and Dave. Nandun daw sila sa may GB Hi-Fi. Say wait to Sylvester. Hi, Sylvester! Come on. Oh, you miss mommy? You didn't see me. You didn't see me? Come here. Hi, Annabelle. You didn't see mommy. Look, you're so big now. Kiss mommy. Give me a big hug. Oh. Mommy's back! Grabe, hindi niya ako nakita. You didn't see mommy?
No.
You walked past by to me.
Almost bigger than you.
You're almost bigger than me? You're almost bigger than me? Say hi, everybody.
I'm happy my back.
Where's the car, Sylvester?
One level one.
And level 1. Come over here.
Oh, what level?
1. Yeah. That's-
1E.
Do you remember?
I think it's this way.
I can count to 100.
Can you? Where's the car, Sylvester? I can't see. I forgot our car. Mommy forgot our car now.
Level one.
Where about, hon? At the end. Let's go. Do you miss mommy?
Yes.
Yes, of course. Come.
Found the parking.
You found the parking?
Yes.
Let's go.
A, B, we nearly there. A, 1B. 1B.
Tired. Here's the car.
Oh,
There we go. Let's get in. Yes, we will. Oh, I'm so hot.
28 degrees today.
Put that one, Sylvester, please. My jacket. Sylvester, can you please? Very spiky helmet.
this is not that spiky.
I love the design, Honey Bee. How are you? Bee, how are you? Oh my gosh, I miss you. You miss me?
Yeah.
Are you real? 2 months.
You
2 months.
tricked me.
Huh? Kiss.
You tricked me.
Kiss, mommy. Are you happy? Mommy's back? How happy are you?
Very happy.
Oh.
I'm happy with my family.
You love my family. What a such a long trip. And Sylvester, you didn't see me. You passed mommy. How
Mommy.
come? How come you didn't see mommy, huh?
Didn't I say Daniel was that way? He ran straight past.
All right, Daddy, let's go. I'm so happy, guys. I'm with my family again. Guys, kung makikita niyo po, my husband have a new operation. Nagtanggal na naman po ng mga skin cancer. That's a very long one, honeybee, in your neck. And also dito sa side niya. Ito po sa side niya, ang dami pong skin moles. Talk po tayo later. Let's get to our accommodation first. So, hindi po kami diretso makauwi agad sa bahay because we're in Adelaide City. So, nag-book na po ng accommodation yung asawa ko po kahapon since pinick up niya ako pretty early. So, nagstay po sila kagabi sa accommodation. Sylvester,
Yeah.
you okay?
Yes, I got white socks.
Alright, okay, let's go, honey. Sabi ni Dave, I look more prettier daw dahil sa buhok ko. Charing-charing lang yan. Napakamura lang yan na pariban-riban, guys. So, let's go to our accommodation, honey. Do you need my phone, honey?
This is okay.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay, let's
Can
go.
hold for me on.
Yeah, this is
I
not.
had it plugged in before.
Oh my God, it's still half an hour to
It
get there.
takes half an hour. There's traffic.
Oh,
27 minutes.
27 minutes. Let's get out. Kapagod, pero sulit din nung makita ko na sila. Oops, honey. Not be too close. Especially when I say my husband and my son again. Grabe si Dave. You look more handsome now, honey.
Really? Thank you.
Daddy have a haircut? I think he needs to because
Where he got one?
because he have skin check moles.
Yeah, so they
and
can check.
So they can see the skin check moles to his head. Just in case may nagtatago. Daddy have a haircut? How about you? I thought you have a haircut. Your hair is still pretty long. Out muna po kami dito sa airport. Gusto ko nang matulog ulit, matulog. Some rest and sleep again. Sleep and sleep again. Pero at least guys, nawala talaga yung pagod ko nung makita ko na.
Under my bed, can you sleep next to me?
Of course!
Got a 2D bed. There's 7 beds.
7 bed. Okay, of course, sabi niya, matulog daw ako sa bed niya. Kasi cabin po yung binook ni Dave na accommodation. Thank you for carrying my bag, Sylvester.
Yes, I was in the booth.
You're so kind.
We left it.
You're so gentleman. Do you have the key? Daddy have the key.
This door's only open.
Yeah, you gotta wait. Daddy's getting the key. Tara guys, so dito po nag-stay sila Dave at Sylvester kagabi sa cabin po. We used to stay mga gantong cabin. Namimitas pa po kami, so come in. We might have to stay here for a few nights. Hindi agad po kami agad uuwi sa bahay para makapagpunta naman po si Sylvester sa city. Come in. Hi Sylvester! What happened? Meron na siyang tuwalya.
Swimming.
Meron po kasi ditong swimming pool. Of course, ito-tour ko muna sila sa ating, we're gonna tour them in our cabin. Where is your room? Where did you sleep last night? Just leave the towel there.
This room
Dito daw siya natulog kagabi. Oh, you sleep for last night?
sleep in the top one.
Is there's a lot? Okay. Did you sleep at the top?
Yeah.
You're not scared?
No, there's a thing to stop you.
Ah, yeah. Okay.
Can you open the cover this caterpillar?
Oh, so, oh my God. Meron pa talaga. Sylvester, you get a caterpillar here?
Yeah.
Siguro sa garden pa namin ito. Ayan, nagdala ng caterpillar. Ito yung umaatake sa amin ng ano,
It's
mga
moving.
spinach. Is this from our garden?
Yes, it's from the capsicum. It's alive.
Maybe you should give some air. Ito pala yung mga gamit
It
niya.
does have a hole.
Ah, yes, okay. Meron na pala. So, ito po yung cabin po. Actually, this is very affordable. Kaya medyo malayo talaga yung nabook ni Dave from the airport, from the city. Because it's affordable. Meron ditong 2 bunk bed. At dito rin po. Turn on po natin. For big family size, this one, honeybee. Ito. And meron sink. Tapos, ito, fridge and microwave. So, honey, did you sleep here last night?
Yeah, I slept there.
So,
Mommy,
yes, darling, what is it?
this car. I bought it. Look.
Whoa! So, guys, come in po tayo. Dito po natulog si Dave kagabi. Malaki. It's pretty roomy, honey, the cabin.
Yeah, it's good.
And there's already shower. There's a shower inside. Toilet. It's good. And may lamisa po dito. Kakain po kami. Sylvester, would you like to swim? Gustong maligo na po, guys.
One more toy to show you. I bring
Okay, bring everything. Bring everything. Ganito siya. Mahilig magpakita. Come here.
monster truck.
Ah.
This is a world trip.
Nagdala pala siya ng monster
Both
truck,
go
mga
on
toys
world
niya.
Trips.
Oh,
They go
yes.
on world trips.
Yee, they're gonna go road trip. Monster truck.
The world
Shoo.
There's world trip one.
And what else did you bring? Napaka-prepare ni Sylvester. Nagdala siya ng bag. He brought a hat. That's good. And sunglasses.
Yes.
This is belong to Daddy.
Now let me have
I have
them.
Daddy give it to you.
You know,
Let me see. Let me see. Look in the video. Whoa, handsome. You look handsome.
Yeah.
Come here. You look so handsome. You're so big now. Do you know? Do you know, Sylvester?
Yeah.
Since the last time, you're a lot taller. Look at that. Diyos ko po, sobrang napakahaba na ng anak ko. Wait. Parang almost sa chin ko na.
Yeah.
I remember the last time, parang paganon ko lang. Wait. And you're only 6.
I eat all the time.
You eat all the time?
Yes, so I could grow bigger.
So, malakas siyang kumain kasi,
Okay.
thanks Daddy for looking after me and keep feeding me lots of vegetables from our garden.
Thanks, Daddy, for feeding me some vegetable when I got it.
That's why. Bilis mong lumaki kasi panay kain ng gulay. We have lots of fresh vegetable. So, we better eat
para mag-family time muna tayo. At dahil kakabalik ko lang po sa Australia, na-miss ko agad yung prutas. Prutas na naman po tayo dito sa Australia. Kung sa Pilipinas po ay puro isda. Sylvester, would you like some fruit?
Yeah.
Apple or pear?
I think we're gonna have some nice apples. Yes, please, Mike.
Okay. Ano muna tayo ng prutas. Ito yung pears. Hinog na po ito, guys.
Go to bed.
And then, bukas po, uuwi na po kami sa aming bahay. Uuwi na po kami sa aming bahay dahil kailangan kong i-grate ang mga tanim namin, mga manok po namin. Ang daming kailangan i-grate. So, at least, nakapag-relax po kami pagdating ko dito dahil kung nag-drive agad, grabe guys, 3 to 4 hours sa bahay po namin from Adelaide City. Depende yan sa driver. Kasi yung asawa ko, hindi po masyadong malakas talaga mag-drive. Siyempre, alam ko po, na-miss nyo rin po ang aming mga pananim. Lalong-lalo na po, alagang-alaga ni Derbs. Actually, kahit ako, sobrang excited na po makita sa aming tanim. So, kakain muna tayo ng apple. Walang kutsilyo. Ito lang yung meron dito. Basta lang. Dito muna kami uupo habang kumakain ng apple. Have some apple, Daddy. Ito yung isa, nanonood ng TV. Yung pears. Do you like the pears or apple?
Pears.
The apple's pretty crispy. Sarap. This is a good apple, honey.
I've seen that one.
Bagong season po, kaya crispy.
Huh?
Those are in
Seen
season now.
Octonaut. Do you want to say Octonaut?
Yeah? Octonaut. So guys, yes, kaka-opera lang po ito. It's pretty long yung stage, grabe. So nangyari po ito before po ako dumating. So how many days this one already, honey?
12 days.
12 days. 12 days, it's more than a week. So
Yeah.
ito po talaga ang problema ng asawa ko. Hindi na siya pwedeng masyadong exposed sa araw kasi every 6 months then pretty much or every few months depende is palagi talagang palagi talaga mayroong skin cancer na nagbe-build sa katawan niya. Ito, the other side, parang the first with the eyes, honey.
Yeah, dry ice.
Is dried eyes and ito din po. Is it hurt?
It burns a little bit, but it's not that
So
bad.
parang sunugin pala siya from the eyes. Ito talaga, they cut pretty deep. How deep it is?
They cut 5 millimeters below the skin.
Oh my God. Does it hurt?
It hurt the first night, but not really after that.
Yeah, but I'm glad that they found pretty early. Kung hindi kasi agad makita kung meron siyang skin cancer, mag-spread. Spread po yan, kaya kailangan talaga palagi siyang update, palaging always check sa doktor. So, ganun po talaga pag puti kayo. Dami kasing mga moles ng asawa ko. But after all guys, of course, I'm happy that I'm back to Australia and to be with my husband again. So, honey, I explained about that we booked this flight for the rush because all the news that it may not or it might will be a lot of cancellation international due to jet fuel.
Yeah, there's going to be a shortage of jet fuel, and I think some
It
other.
will be expensive the flight soon as well. Nag-make sure lang talaga si Deb na makabalik na ako dito by the time na mangyari yan.
Mariel has a plan to bring her siblings here, but her family was worried that she would get stuck there, so we prioritized for Mariel to come here first, and then her siblings can come later.
Yes, later po, if everything's okay, kasi hindi na natin alam kung yung mga flights, yung po talaga grabe, nagmahal po talaga yung flights, especially sa amin, getting out from Siargao to get in Manila, and then Manila to Australia. Grabe, nandun pa lang ka inside the Philippines, ang mahal, which is understandable naman dahil sa mga pangyayari ngayon. So guys, we're having lunch, family lunch. Dave just ordered some, ito po, chicken, is it chicken curry, honey?
Looks like it.
Chicken curry, tsaka noodles. Favorite po ni Sylvester. So this is our first time having family lunch since I'm back. And what is it, darling?
I love this week.
Sylvester, do you like we're having lunch as a family?
Very happy, guys.
Honey, you better eat with us now.
You're not coming in?
So, meron ditong rice. We have rice, chicken curry, Dave making sure na merong a little bit spicy sa order yung pagkain, tsaka itong noodles. Kaya kakain po muna kami. Gutom na po ako, honey. Help yourself. You already ate some noodles?
Yeah, with some
So,
curry.
have some curry. and rice. Sylvester, you right? Do you need help? Do
No,
you like to eat more noodles?
I can do it.
So we're gonna keep the rest for later on?
Yeah.
Sabi niya, i-keep daw talaga yung noodles
I have more
sa
because I
box.
did not got much.
I will help.
Yeah.
Is that bamboo shoots in this?
I think it's ginger. Ginger. man
Is
to.
it?
Wait. No, it's not ginger.
I
I think it's bamboo.
Yeah, dabong. Dabong sa amin in Siargao. You're going to swimming?
I need swing clothes.
Grabe, ang you look so handsome, Sylvester.
You
Show
got
me
the
your
swim-
eyes. Like mommy, or do you look like daddy?
I look like Danny.
Walking around, look, there's a table out there, Sylvester.
We eat here tonight.
Of course, we can eat here tonight.
2 chairs.
Oh, we can bring another one for daddy, hey?
Lily,
Nag-worried siya, dalawang chair lang daw.
And
We need another one.
2 plus 1 equals 3.
Yeah, 2 plus 1 equals 3. So yung playground malapit lang pala. So where's the swimming pool, Sylvester? Ah, to the other side.
I love
Sobrang
walking.
excited. Oh.
Let us not award the scooter.
Did you ride over there? Well, you better watch out. Playing scooter now. Woohoo!
Yeah.
Come on, meron po ditong park kung saan po kami nag-stay. Sylvester's gonna show us. Okay, let's go to the park, Sylvester. We're gonna play.
I met you.
Huh?
I met you now. I met you here.
I think I forgot this. Wait, let me borrow. Woo!
Come on,
Where are we going? I will leave it here, okay? So we can go inside the park.
Look,
Ooh,
you can do it.
you can do it. You're going to the slide? Here.
Come on, help me.
Here?
Because you can take that one.
Maybe this one.
Ito yung sa akin pala. So this is the one I take. For,
Because I don't
I think
know.
this is for kid. You.
Okay, I can do it.
Si Daddy, hindi pa masyado makapag
I've had enough.
active
I've got wings.
activity. Ito kasi yung napakalaki ng tahi ng asawa ko. Alright, go Sylvester. Show us.
I'm skipping along.
Ang galing ah.
I'm
Galing ni
skipping
Sylvester.
along.
Hold on. Going to the slide?
You want
Sobrang
to
energetic.
exercise?
Yeah.
I can get all of them.
Yep.
Go on the stairs.
Yeah, I will follow you. Oh dear. Go to the slide. Don't climb. Don't climb. There's no need to climb. Let's go to slide.
I'm going to walk socks.
Okay. Whew.
I'm going to go on the other one faster.
The faster one. That one.
Yeah.
That's pretty short.
Go.
Hindi na pa ako makapag-keep up nito. Sobrang energetic.
Let me go on it.
Yeah.
It's there.
Yay! Get the towel now. I think Daddy have the case.
Yeah, I have
No,
the
Daddy locked the door. Be careful. Okay, grab your towel. Maliligo na daw siya.
I've got to find the right thing.
Ito po talaga ang maganda sa Australia dahil tingnan niyo po, napakadaming puno. At kanina, iingay ng mga ibon. Marami talaga ditong ibon dahil sa sobrang daming puno. Okay, you got, don't put the towel there. It's dirty. Pick it up, Daddy, please. Video. Okay. Magsi-swimming. Si Sylvester, sit down there. Okay, come over here.
Yes, there's a little kid over there.
There's a little kid.
Yeah. It's
Yeah, I think the playground, it's more for 2 years old.
Oh, that's the
You
pool.
heard that? Ang iingay ng mga
The
ibon.
kids are noisy.
Are they noisy?
Yeah, they're much. I think they're much noisier than me.
Okay, let's go. We just go. We're just gonna walk only, okay? Don't ride your scooter. Well, it's pretty close. Pupunta na po kami sa swimming
This
pool.
one can go in wild
Gusto
dirt.
mo yan dalhin? Gusto palang dalhin sa
It can go in
swimming pool.
dirt. And dirt.
Ayan.
What?
Nandito lang. Is it that one, honey?
This one.
Okay. Nandun na yung isa. Come in, Daddy. Wow. Take it off your shoe. And the socks, Sylvester. Excited na agad. Take it off the socks. Come over here.
Yeah.
The other one.
Cold.
Is it cold?
Big pool.
Good. Do you know how to swim now? You know how to dive? Marunong po si Sylvester mag-dive-dive. Natutunan niya mag-dive-dive dun sa Siargao. Medyo malalim ah. It's a bit deep, Sylvester. The middle.
I mean, that's
So
So, dito lang siya sa hagdanan.
Heated or is it cold?
Ah, yun na. Wow! Look, Sylvester, it's going away. Be careful. Yay! Nag-ano lang siya sa edge po. Ay, mayroong saging. Ano there sa banana de?
I think it's not a banana, it's something else, so it looks a bit like one.
Banana naman to eh. Sabi ni David, it doesn't look like. Pero wala nga ang saging. Yeah, there is no.
It looks like it's related to a banana, but it's not a banana.
Hindi pala banana. Hindi pala talaga banana, parang saging po. Ayun, nagda-dive.
I dropped it, now I'm gonna get it.
Okay, you drop it. Dinrap niya, then kukunin niya. Show me. Whoa, well done.
Need a step.
You're pretty good diving. Marunong na po siya lumangoy, kaso medyo hindi pa siya, confident.
You know how to swim across the pool?
Not only in the kickboard.
Ang lamig, hindi pa mag-stop. There we go. Nag-dive siya ulit. Soon, mangunguha na to ng isda like me. Good job, Esther. Smile. Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't drop very far away. Ako yung
Over.
Okay. Ako yung natatakot sa iyo. So, pero tinuruan po sila sa school maglangoy since nag-start po pag-aaral si Sylvester. You got it? Good job! Ang pogi ni Sylvester. Hala, not too far, darling. Palayo ka na ng palayo, ha? Yeah, I see. Good job. Napaka-clean. Marami pong caravan park. Ganyan po kadami dito. Kasi this is a caravan park. Yung cabin po namin ay yan po. Yung isa, panay langoy lang po. Oh, done. Professional to maglangoy pag lumaki na. Not too far, darling. Palayo ko na ng palayo. Kanina dyan lang sa may uluhan niya.
I could get it.
Well, Daddy and Mommy will jump if you're having trouble. Tingnan nyo guys. Ang galing lumangoy.
Almost one out of breath.
You almost ran out of breath.
When I got out in time.
I bet so.
How much meat is it?
Nako. Manang-mana po sa akin si Sylvester lumangoy. Come on now. Stop na. Sobrang lamig na. Nagda-dive pa rin guys. Sobrang lalim na. You're right? Tingnan nyo guys. Na-addict na siya panay dive.
Yeah.
I bet you're cold.
I learned to
We
catch
don't want
it.
to stay there for long. Baka magkasakit ka rin.
I already learned.
How did you learn diving? Is it in Siargao? In the Philippines? You used to swim?
I can just dive.
You can just dive, but I remember in the Bungsud, you copy all your cousin when they're diving. Do you remember? Go, let's get in na. Tara na, let's go to the...
Yeah. Thanks for everyone for watching, everyone. Bye.
Bye! Family time muna si Sylvester kang mami. Where are we going tomorrow?
We're going to Adelaide.
We're already in Adelaide. Panay obsessed talaga to
Let's
siya.
go bowling.
Playing bowling and what else?
The gun skating.
Skating. Your hand is pretty
Ice
cold.
skating.
Na cold yung...
Ice skating. And
You're-
we're getting back in pink eye.
And why you have a missing tooth?
It's not growing back.
I can see there's a new one. There's a
Oh,
new
see.
one. Yeah, it's coming out. See? It's coming out. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Say bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Click daddy. Welcome home daw. Thank you, Sylvester. So guys, nandito na talaga tayo. Nakauwi na